If you're looking to create personalized social proof campaigns with Proof and wondering how to get started, you've come to the right place. In this quick guide, we'll break down how to use Proof to maximize the power of personalized social proof and increase conversions. Whether you're new to Proof or just getting familiar with its features, by the end of this video, you'll have a solid understanding of how to create compelling campaigns that make your website visitors feel more confident about making a purchase or taking action. One of the key features of Proof is its ability to show personalized messages based on real-time behavior. This helps create a sense of urgency and trust with your audience. For example, Proof allows you to display notifications that show when others are making purchases, signing up, or engaging with your site in real time. This type of social proof creates an immediate impression of popularity and success, which is powerful for driving conversions. You can create campaigns that are tailored to the individual, not just generic pop-ups, so each user gets a personalized experience. First things first, to get started, head to the dashboard. The interface is clean and easy to navigate, making it beginner-friendly. Once you're logged in, you'll find multiple campaign templates to choose from, such as live sales notifications, recent activity, and sign-up alerts. These are perfect for quickly building out your first personalized social proof campaign. When creating your campaign, you can specify what type of activity you want to highlight. You could show recent purchases, reviews, or even specific actions like trial signups. Proof integrates seamlessly with popular e-commerce platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, and others, so it's simple to connect and get up and running. By highlighting these activities, you're giving potential customers a reason to trust your brand and feel confident in their decision to buy. Another powerful feature is the ability to segment your audience. Proof allows you to show different types of notifications to different groups of people. For instance, you could show one type of social proof to new visitors and a more targeted message to return customers. This personalization ensures that each visitor feels like the message is tailored just for them, boosting engagement and conversion rates. Don't forget about customizing the appearance of your notifications. Proof gives you full control over how your messages look. You can match the notification style with your website's branding, ensuring that the notifications feel natural and don't disrupt the user experience. You can adjust things like colors, fonts, and even the placement of the pop-ups, ensuring they blend seamlessly with the rest of your site design. To maximize your campaign's effectiveness, you'll want to optimize the timing of these notifications. Proof allows you to set triggers based on behavior. For example, you can set up pop-ups to appear after a certain amount of time spent on the page or when users are about to leave the site. By catching them at the right moment, you can increase the chances that they will engage with the social proof notification. And here's an important tip. Don't overdo it. While social proof is effective, too many notifications can overwhelm your visitors and have the opposite effect. The key is to keep it subtle, showing just enough proof to build confidence without being intrusive. Lastly, let's talk about tracking and analytics. Proof offers in-depth analytics that show how well your social proof campaigns are performing. You can track clicks, conversions, and other key metrics to see how these notifications are driving results. Use this data to continually refine your campaigns and make them more effective. As a quick bonus, I want to let you know that you can try Proof for completely free through the first link below. Not only that, but if you use our exclusive link, you'll get access to an extended free trial. So don't miss out on that opportunity to explore all the powerful features Proof has to offer and see firsthand how personalized social proof can help increase your conversions. Now that you've seen how easy it is to create personalized social proof campaigns with Proof, go ahead and give it a try. Remember, the more tailored and authentic the experience, the better your chances of turning visitors into loyal customers. Don't forget to grab that extended free trial with the link below to get started today.